Looking for a spacious, reliable, and tech-savvy minivan for 2025? The Toyota Sienna has made some exciting upgrades this year. Stay tuned as we dive into its top features, from smart storage solutions to cutting-edge technology that'll redefine your road trips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest car reviews. 1. Hybrid-only powertrain. The 2025 Toyota Sienna is available exclusively as a hybrid, delivering impressive fuel efficiency for a minivan. Toyota's advanced hybrid system offers a smooth, responsive driving experience while keeping fuel costs down. With a combined fuel economy of up to 36 mpg, it's an eco-conscious choice without sacrificing power. This setup is ideal for long-distance family trips or daily commuting. 2. All-wheel drive option. For those who value versatility, the Sienna 2025 offers an optional all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive improves traction and control, making it great for various weather conditions or rougher terrains. This feature is especially beneficial for families who love outdoor adventures and want reliable performance year-round. It's the perfect blend of safety and adventure readiness. 3. Spacious interior layout. The 2025 Sienna boasts an ultra-roomy interior designed with families in mind, seating up to 8 passengers. It's equipped with second-row captain's chairs that slide back for extra legroom, providing a first-class feel for rear passengers. The flat folding rear seats allow for flexible cargo space for those big shopping days or family vacations. Comfort and practicality come standard in this spacious cabin. 4. High-tech entertainment system. Keeping passengers entertained is easy with the Sienna's state-of-the-art multimedia system. It features a 9-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, giving you plenty of options to stay connected. The available rear seat entertainment system includes a large screen, ensuring that everyone enjoys the journey. Perfect for long drives with family or friends. 5. Advanced safety features. Toyota equips the Sienna with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced safety technologies to protect you and your passengers. The system includes features like pre-collision braking, lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control. These tools provide a second set of eyes on the road, reducing the chances of accidents. Safety is clearly a top priority in the 2025 Sienna. 6. Modern exterior design. The Sienna's exterior combines sleek, modern lines with a robust, sporty stance, a departure from typical minivan designs. With bold headlights, a stylish front grille, and smooth aerodynamic lines, it's made to turn heads. The Sienna's dynamic look is appealing to families who want both function and style in their vehicle. This design redefines what a minivan can look like. 7. Hands-free sliding doors and liftgate. Convenience is enhanced with hands-free sliding doors and a liftgate, allowing easy access even when your hands are full. Simply wave your foot under the sensor, and the doors open automatically. It's a lifesaver for parents with kids or anyone carrying groceries. This feature truly simplifies everyday life with added ease and functionality. 8. Climate control and comfort features. With tri-zone automatic climate control, everyone in the Sienna can set their preferred temperature. The available heated and ventilated seats add another layer of comfort, making every ride enjoyable. There's also an advanced air filtration system, which is ideal for long trips and allergy sufferers. Toyota has thought of everything to keep passengers cozy and comfortable. 9. Ample cargo space. With clever storage solutions and foldable seats, the Sienna 2025 provides ample cargo space for everything you need. Even with all seats in use, there's still plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. It's ideal for families with an active lifestyle or those who need extra space regularly. Adaptable and spacious, the Sienna is ready for any adventure. 10. Fuel-efficient performance. Toyota's hybrid technology doesn't just save fuel, it also delivers a smooth, quiet ride with excellent acceleration. The 2025 Sienna is designed to offer both power and efficiency, perfect for city driving and highway cruising alike. With lower emissions and high mpg, this minivan is a smart choice for environmentally conscious drivers. It proves that efficiency and performance can go hand in hand. That wraps up our deep dive into the Toyota Sienna 2025. With its blend of technology, comfort and eco-friendly performance, it's a fantastic option for families on the go. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.